So ito yung mga key challenges ng telco operators. Okay? One is the faster time to market. Okay? When we say the faster time to market, it is when we roll out our network infrastructure. Okay? Traditionally, okay, sequential siya. So may phases based on you design it, okay, engineer it, install, you integrate it to the core, you test it, and then syempre meron pang acceptance from the vendor to the telco operator. Okay. So many of these phases have been to a large extent manual and labor intensive. Okay. So ano to yan eh, you need to source out for the site, okay, saan ko according to my network planning, saan ko dapat ilalagay yung cell site ko, how much will the coverage, ano yung saan ko ipapaling yung antenna and all. Okay, and then I have to source out legally dun syempre sa pagtatayuan may mga concerns on the residents or syempre sometimes we need to lease yung sa lugar, okay? And then after we have planted it, di ba? How will you connect it to your core? Yung link up sites mo, okay? And then you perform testings around it, yung mga drive tests and how will that cell site perform. Okay? So very labor intensive. Okay, so let me share you my experience. Okay, in Sun Cellular before. Okay, well, nag-aaral pa ako, that is 2001. But Sun Cellular soft launched in 2001. Okay, but they only started operating 2003. Okay. So within those span of years, doon pa lang sila nag-start to set up some coverage. And alam naman natin, they only started within Metro Manila. Okay. If syempre with the network operator na papasok dun sa heavily dominated na market by Globe and Smart. Okay. Kailangan nilang habulin yung coverage. Eh, paano ka makapagbigay ng service kung ang coverage mo is only within the metro. Okay? So aggressive yung naging yung ginawa ng company, di ba? From Metro Manila, we started doing the network expansions or rollouts sa North Luzon projects, South Luzon project, and then also the Vismin projects. Okay? But imagine, nag-start yan 2001, di ba? Okay? And then, Sun Cellular and Smart merged in 2011. Okay? Noong 2011, actually, the coverage back then, hindi pa talaga fully covered yung buong Philippines. So, if you look at it that way, from 2001 to 2011, that is 10 years, di ba? We are still doing or planting cell sites to provide coverage. Okay? So, ang haba. For 10 years, hindi mo pa rin covered yung buong bansa. Okay? So, let me share you the story of Rakuten. Rakuten, in 2020 or in April of 2020, okay, they launched as a mobile network operator. Okay, and in only 5 months, okay, in September 2020, they were able to operate na. Ganun kabilis. Okay, so kung tutingin natin, traditional, from 2001 to 2003, so that is around 2 years or so. Okay? And then yung coverage pa lang niya is within the metro pa lang. But for Rakuten in 2020, within 5 months, operating na sila. Okay? And in 2 years time, they already have 50,000 base stations na. covering the whole of Japan. Okay? Gano'n kabilis yung time to market. Okay? Gano'n kabilis yung how they were able to roll out such 5G sites or 4G sites pala at that time. Okay? So, and they said they can fire up a 5G site only in 5 minutes. Okay? So, yan yung premise ng Open RAN. Okay? So, what's their secret? Yeah, what's their secret? It's the cloud native virtual network functions. Okay? So, later on, as we go along with this topic, malalaman natin what's that? Okay? Paano nila na-implement yan? Okay. For better performance, in traditional network, we have optimization team. Meron kami noon access network operation team. So they perform drive tests to gather statistics on the cell site coverage, kamusta yung handover, yung congestion ng cell site, how is our calls being dropped, and how successful is our call setup. So mini-measure lahat yun. Upload and download speeds, okay, to tune the network on the best optimized state. Okay? Pero ang tanong doon is, how soon can we get the results? Diba? Sabi nga natin, sa traditional network, very manual, very labor intensive. Okay? Kasi pumunta mo talaga yung site. You go around it, you perform drive test, walk test, and okay? And then balik ka sa office, analyze mo siya, how can I tune this properly? And then hindi mo pwedeng basta-basta babaguhin yung parameters. Okay? You go through a change management. Yeah. Okay? So, but for the better performance, yung better coverage or enhanced quality of service natin, that is one challenge easily solved by Open RAN. Why? It has the RIC, okay? The Random Intelligent Access Network Intelligent Controller. Yeah. Okay? And thirdly is yung cost. Yan. Okay? So, around 60 to 70% ng TCO or the total cost of ownership ng operator falls under the RAN, okay, the radio access network. Okay, so andyan yung capex natin in terms of our procurement ng mga radio units, mga base station units natin, installations and all. Okay, and then for our OPEX, okay, babayaran naman natin yung power. Okay, we need to have funding for the maintenance and lease, syempre. Okay, so with Open RAN, it can lower down our capex and OPEX. Okay, and also yung energy consumption and yung sustainability. Yan, okay. When we say or when we talk about sustainability, this is how the company is gearing towards a more environment-friendly solutions. Okay, and it is solved by cloudification. All right. So when we roll out our compute power, okay, using cloud, ang laki ng reduction sa cost. Why? Hindi ka na nagme-maintain ng hindi ka na nagme-maintain ng server mo You already running it through the cloud. Okay. Ang laki ng cost reduction. Okay?